where do you want to start?
Pick and go.
You got t-shirts, I think. Let's start with this one. Debating whether to cut or not, because I don't want to cut what's in it. I think this is mine. So these are more samples that we ordered, some different ones from our manufacturers for Metz Matteo. You can buy all of these on metzmatteo.com. I think these are masks.
Oh.
So ta-da. More masks. I bought for some friends I know wanted some, and in case we run across someone who wants one.
Seriously, these masks are so soft, so comfortable.
Yep, and they come with these little kind of stopper things, so you can adjust the tension, which is nice.
Handy.
Because
Very handy.
some of the ear loops are really tight, and so these you can adjust to the size you want.
They're very comfortable. I cannot stress that enough.
Yep. So Teresa's wearing a mask. This is our Metz Matteo logo mask in sky blue with our dragonfly, and then I'm actually wearing a mask that we sell, the falling leaves mask, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
So more masks, always good to have.
Let's just set these over here.
Yep. And then
What do we got?
I think we ordered some t-shirts.
I'm very excited about this.
Again, don't really want to use the knife because I think I cut the t-shirt. Should have brought scissors. I didn't think about scissors. I'm strong enough. This one's mine. I ordered this shirt for me. I'm gonna stand up. I've not seen these before, so.
Ooh.
So that is of an oyster shell. Wasn't sure about how the outlines was going to come out because the white on yellow is really light. Might revisit that. The print is pretty decent. And on the back, which I think I might raise it, is our logo. It's a little breezy today.
Also doubles as a windsock.
Yes, also doubles as a windsock. And I actually brought the shell today, so you get an idea of what I took a picture of. This. My mom collects shells, so this is the oyster shell. It's really small. Have you come up?
Yeah.
I'll hold it like that, and then it sort of got enlarged for the shirt. And we've also placed this on some other things. But I like the yellow and the blue together. I think that looks good. So it'll be good for summer. I had a yellow shirt when I was a kid, and this reminds me of summers.
I'll bet this is my shirt.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very excited about this one. I see Matthew is an amazing photographer.
I'll leave that out, actually.
Once in a blue moon, I get lucky with a shot. And this is one of them.
So we don't have the zebra here to
Yeah.
show you, but that's what pictures are for, that you can remember something.
This zebra was at a local petting zoo on Long Island that I took my children to many, many years ago. And just the right moment as he was walking by, I got a shot. And I like on the back, I do like the way the color turned out on our logo.
Yep, I just sampled one of the pink purples from the image.
And I am very much looking forward to wearing this shirt. I might even consider changing out of my D&D shirt for tonight to wear this instead. That's how proud I am of this shirt.
Yeah, that turned out well.
Yeah.
I really like the colors on it. It does look really good in the black. Our logo didn't really come out very well in the silk screening. but it's on the back, so.
And there you go, my zebra.
Okay, so I'm gonna, it's just like Christmas. I'm opening the next one. So this looks like,
Ooh, journal.
we got one. We both ordered journals. I'm gonna take this one out of the package. So this has the same image that's on my mask. It's the falling leaves from last fall. They're actually floating in water. And I really like on this print you can see the sort of silhouette of the tree in the water.
The reflection.
Which didn't really come out on the mask, but it's fabric. It's harder for that to come out. And these are lined, spiral bound, black. Oh, that's kind of a gray on the back, but.
Yeah.
And then yours is the.
Really, this is just something actually. A long time ago, I was part of a online group, and we often shared little photo quests. And one of us in the group had said, "Show us pictures of the trees celebrating at their autumn ball." And that kind of stuck with me. And this picture made me feel like the sweeping gown that you might see at a ball, and that's where the phrase came from. And the trees shall dance their autumn dances, dressed in their finest scarlets and golds.
And I took that photo actually the same time I took the photo for this one at one of the local hiking places here. There's so many places to go out in nature around where we live. Ooh,
One of the mugs.
I got a travel mug.
Oh, I love him. He's adorable.
So this is stainless steel travel mug with the lid.
That's nice.
Yeah, I think that turned out really well. And that's just of a little chicken, baby chick with a little mohawk that I took. I took this photo a while back when I first moved back to Michigan. I lived in San Diego for a while. And that was taken at the local fair, which of course last year we didn't have because of COVID. So hopefully we'll
Be able to
get back to that. But yeah, that turned out really well. I like that. Happy. And then
Should we take care of this first?
let's take care of that. I got the knife. I think these are the mugs, the ceramic mugs. So we have travel mugs available with different sayings. I did the shell series, which this oyster shell is on.
You could collect the whole set.
Yep. And then we also have ceramic mugs in both black and white, depending on the image. I think these are all three the same, right?
I believe so.
So we'll just open one. Don't need to open them all.
Oh man.
We need.
No, I just hit the wrong side there.
Oh, you just need to be smarter than the box.
Yes. Oh, I like the packaging of it there. Secure, but not too much. Very nice. Again, this is one of the rare photos that you will find on the site that I took. Actually, this is a testament to Matthew's skills in photo manipulation to correct any problems, because this was a very, very dark photo originally.
Yeah, it was a tough photo to work with.
This is actually a picture of my son on the beach on a Father's Day.
Oh, okay.
Probably when he was about 6 or 7 years old.
And we also have that in posters too. A lot of the images we have are available on notepads and posters, and some of them are on t-shirts.
I like the size of the handle.
I have our first sample I did in one of the shells, but I have that in a black, and I love it because that's a 15-ounce mug. That's bigger than a normal size mug. It actually holds this the same amount as this does. They're both 15 ounces.
Very nice.
So it's like a cup plus.
Yep.
It's almost 2 cups. Cup is what, 8 ounces?
Something like that usually, yeah.
And so something else I did with the many shell images I have that I took of, scanned actually, photographed of my mom's shell collection. I made art. What do you call it? Wall decor or wall art.
Pretty pictures.
So these are on canvas, and they come framed with recycled plastic frames, I believe. They almost look like wood. Yeah, looks like wood.
Wow.
So if you hold that one, then I have the second. So that's the back of the shell. And I believe...
Are you sure they're not wood?
I
Wow.
don't know, it looks like wood to me. Did they say they changed it to wood?
I mean,
No, that's actually wood. It said it was plastic in the... This is why you buy samples, because you never quite know until you get something what exactly it's going to be.
I love how the shell just floats.
Yeah, with the black background.
It makes it look like it's 3D.
So, a little background history. My family's from South New Jersey, and every year we moved to Michigan when I was like 18 months old. My father got transferred, and we would go back every year. And one of the things is we would go to the shore. So South Jersey, Ocean City specifically. Let's go this way with it. Let's get the right direction. And that was our opportunity to look for shells and so forth. And this, I believe, is a quahog shell. Yep. So the bat, it comes with hardware and even with little bumpers, so they're ready to be hung. And this shell is this shell, actual shell that got scanned. So that's the front, and then this one is the back, which I think that came out really well with the yellowish color. And this is the small size, 5x7. They're available in 2 other sizes, up to 11x14, I think, like an 8x10 and 11x14. These are really nice. These came out well. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so that looks like that's our... Got all sorts of wind today that's blowing stuff everywhere, but it looks good. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks, Rob, for being our camera person again. Again, if you're interested, come to our website, metzmatteo.com, and you can buy all of these things plus other stuff.
Get your vaccinations so that we can take these off and show our lovely faces.
Yes. Bye.
Bye. The script.
We're back. We found one more mug.
I did forget that I had ordered this one, and I am really pleased with how that one turned out. Something to greet your spring morning with and give you a little boost to the start of your day.
Yep. Our crocuses have come and gone already because we got warm weather so early, but yep, they're really pretty this year. Thanks again.
Bye.